Hello again. This is going to be a small video because in this lesson I'm going to show you the scale tool. Well, before I start using scale tool, let me show you the default move tool here. So whenever you are using move tool, if you want to make something bigger, it will just make the frame bigger and everything will be the same as it is. But if I use the scale tool, let me just make another copy of it. So if I use a scale tool, you will find the scale tool right here, or you can just use the keyboard shortcut K. So now if you use the scale tool and make the frame bigger, it will make everything else bigger as well. And if you want to maintain the ratio of it, you just have to hold the shift and make everything bigger and smaller. This is smart and everything will look perfect and well aligned in between the frame. But there is a catch, obviously. As you can see, the font size here is 16 and it's not a fraction. And obviously it's a bigger font size, but it's in fraction, and it's always is in fraction, and it's very hard to maintain a real full number without making a fraction number. So it is a smart tool, but you have to use it very smartly. So that's it. Happy learning, and I will see you in the next lesson.